So guys, I was taking you around the park. This is a gazebo. I've come all the way from the other side. I was seated on the other bench, and I just want to take you through, I don't know, do you call it a gazebo? And of course this plant gives me home vibes. It gives me summer and vacation vibes. It's like a palm tree. I don't know. And that's the entrance to the gazebo. I don't know, I'm calling it a gazebo. How do you call this? But yeah, so this is it. And when you're here, you can just see the roofs the way they are, and just see. London is beautiful. The way they plan their parks is amazing. You can see dogs are running around, people are running around. Yeah, and if I can zoom through from all the way the other side, coming here, yeah, there's a play area for kids. There's that is it a runway or something? Yeah, literally, it's so beautiful. I think I wanted to take you to my favorite part of the park, but looks like it's closed. um it might be doing some renovations. No, it's open actually, but I think it's open from the other side. They don't allow dogs on here. The following is not permitted in the gardens. They don't allow parties. Yeah, opening times. Hi, City of Westminster. So I usually record my videos in this garden here. So that's where I'm gonna come sit and record some few videos for you. Hey guys, so this is the entrance of this beautiful rose garden. Yeah, these are the quiet gardens. Yeah, they don't allow parties, dogs, cycles, whatever it is. I'm so happy because they don't allow all those things. Yeah, so this is the entrance of the garden. uh I've made a video here in the summer and in the winter. So being back in this garden when they have really made some renovations, not renovations, some weeding and planting and organizing the plants. It's really amazing, as you can see. These are the things that make life, keep going in the diaspora. It is the small things. So I think the other part I showed you, they are still working on it. Yeah, they are still working on this side of the garden. Yeah, so that's why I think I was not able to go there. And I want to also show you that I am walking, just to show you the way it is. Honestly speaking, when I was in Uganda, I would hardly and hardly do what? I would hardly appreciate nature, because I knew nature was part of, being in Africa. Yeah, so I today I do appreciate more after immigrating to the UK. I appreciate nature so much because it is those little things that do matter. In terms of my mental health, it does really help me to refresh. For example, today I am from let me do this. I am from working a long day, and from work I decided to come into the garden to have a walk. How beautiful this is. Why wouldn't I appreciate this kind of nature where I can come, breathe, be myself? Yeah, literally, it's the small things. These ones are called these are the daffodils. Yeah, they usually come out fast during the spring. Yeah, and as you can see, there is a squirrel. Mr. Squirrel, Mr. Squirrel. So you can see the little things that make me. He scared me. He scared me. They're used of people giving them food. Yeah, so as you can see, those are the small things that make it scared me, but they make life what it is. Yeah, feel happy to be in the garden. We are saying bye bye to the winter. We can see the leaves are coming back. Literally, that is life in the diaspora for you. It has taught me to just appreciate the simple things, like the flowers, like the trees, like the nature, the fresh air, because not everybody has the opportunity to get out. If you can walk, you can get out. You know, be grateful. So I'm grateful to God for this day, and thank you so much for watching my vlog. Yeah. Hi people, hi YouTube, hi my lovely friends. This is your girl Martha here, and today I have a vlog. It is a Thursday. It's a Thursday evening, and we summer vibes are giving. Come on, spring is coming. So today has been an amazing day. It's been an amazing day. I'm so excited. I've just finished work. I've been working from home, and I decided to just come and chill in the park. You can see it looks beautiful. Honestly, when it is not dark at this time, you know that the weather is really nice. So the weather is really, really, really good. And when the weather is good in the UK, everybody is walking around, dogs are running everywhere. Honestly, it's really nice. Our local park is nice. I just want to take you around. That is like a gazebo, and we have benches here. And let me take you around.
بقول لك الرقبة كبيرة ولا صغيرة؟ ماشي هات واحدة تتاكل على مرتين ونص مفروض عدى عليك شوية أنا في دلوقتي في الخليج والروح ها؟
Hi people, this is your girl. Today I am walking to church. It's Palm Sunday. I am late. It's a Sunday here in London. It is a bit warm. It's 10 degrees, a bit cold, but like spring weather like. Yeah, so I'm going to church. It's Palm Sunday, and I'm so excited about this spirituality journey, because let's keep going and I'll tell you why. Hey people, so I decided to show you my neighborhood as I walk to church. It is a lovely, beautiful neighborhood, and I love it. As you can see, it is a bit sunny today, and I just want to show you that it's a bit sunny, and I love it. The feel of spring. Yeah, let's go. To be honest, today is really sunny. I can feel the sun on me. Spring is here. I can't even imagine it. I'm so excited to be vlogging in the sun. Oh my goodness, it feels like summer. Oh, thank God, spring is here. Spring is here. Finally, we can enjoy some vitamin D without taking those bloody supplements. Okay guys, let's tour around as we go to church. It's a Sunday here in London, just like I've said, and these are the speed limits. We are on a small junction, and I'll be just going ahead the other side, and we'll go together via the zebra crossing. So one thing I love about the UK is that when you step on the zebra crossing as a pedestrian, all the cars stop for you and you go, which I think is the same as Uganda. But people do not follow rules in Uganda. People just want to do their own thing. and just drive cars recklessly. So I'm crossing over as I go to church. Okay, let me put the camera up. So here there is a pub. Usually it's called the Warrington Hotel, but it's like a pub. You can see people dining here, enjoy, and this is one of the things that I've learned about the British culture, the pubs. They're kind of traditional. People come, they have like the sandy roast, so you can see the here sandies are made for Great British sandy roast with all the trimmings and divine desserts. Definitely, the pubs usually are places where people, the pubs are places where people come in for a drink. There's the British tradition of food, roast dinner. Usually they serve the roast dinner on Sundays, and this roast dinner it has like meat, any type of meat, usually chicken, pork. Sorry for the Muslims, and they have roasted potatoes, vegetables, and gravy. So that's the traditional food of the British people, and usually the pubs have that certain kind of meal. So yeah, let's keep going, and I'm almost getting to my church. When we get to church, I'll slow it down. So I am approaching the church, just across there.
And the Holy Spirit be upon you and remain with you always. Mass is ended. Go in peace.
Promise keep a light in the darkness. My God, you are. I would say when you are in a new country, you've left your home and you've moved far away from your home, you've left everything you have known, people you have known, and that is my story. But what keeps me sane? What keeps me going? One of the things is my spirituality as a Christian, holding on to hope, holding on to the Bible principles. I know, even when it is the hardest of times, I just cling onto hope. So spirituality has played a big part in me keeping who I am, keeping true to myself, accepting myself for who I am. And I can say that this is Palm Sunday 2024, another milestone. I can just say, just getting out of bed, preparing myself, going to church, having 1 hour of quiet time is very, very important. And I would link spirituality to mental health. I'm no expert, but in my own experience, I would say it is very, very amazing when you know that there is a higher power to cling on when things are not going well. Even when things are going well, these are the things that keep us holding on. Spirituality, That's all I can say, that I really think it's a very big thing, especially in my integration story. Yeah, I didn't even. Doing. Happy Easter, my people. How are you doing? I hope you're enjoying the holidays, the bank holidays, if you're in the UK. And I just wish you a happy Easter, a happy new month of April. As we go into the new month, let's continue achieving, let's continue aspiring, and for our dreams, let the fire keep burning. Let us always remember why we have started this journey of life. Let's smash our goals. Let's keep on keeping on. I believe that hard work pays, smart work pays. Do not give up, no matter what you may face in the world. Just keeping on. That's what I always tell myself. Sometimes I wonder how I have been able to make it in life in a few aspects, but I always remember why I started, and that inspires me. I always know that I started this journey of life. I found my purpose. It took me a long time to find my purpose, but when I realized my purpose, when I realized what I want to be, I decided to hold on to that purpose and say, you know what, girl, you have to go for it, no matter what. No matter how long it may take me. I believe that I'm here for a reason. I believe that I'm destined for greatness. So all those things have kept me sane, have kept me going. So happy new month. Let's enjoy and let's achieve our dreams, and because we are here to achieve and we are here not to fail. Okay, happy new month of April. All the best. This is beautiful. I'm on an evening walk in the park, and I'm gonna show you around. It's nice. I just don't like the dogs, they freak me out. Yeah, the trees are lovely. We have a gym in our park. There's this small gazebo. Yeah, literally, I see there are some of the plants there, and it's really nice. I thought that was a rainbow in the sky, but it's really colorful and nice. Yeah, I do enjoy doing most on your walks. Just love the peace and quiet. I love the fresh air. This place is lovely. Aside from the gym, this is a sit-down area. People usually sit. I think it's cool. Just coming, sitting, and chilling. Yeah, keep walking, keep going. Let me take you on this other side of the park because I'm gonna walk around. Oh no, it's closed. Yeah, so it's lovely. People are playing tennis. So I haven't yet bought a car. I'm studying for my driving theory test. In the UK, before you start driving, you need to do a driving theory test. After the theory test, if you've passed, you hold a certificate for 2 years. And also, after you've passed your driving theory test, even before, you can start a driving lesson. So I feel I'm growing a bit old and I'm so tired of commuting. So I'm working on my driving quite seriously. Anyway, this is my town. It's called Maidaville. This is my town. It's called Maidaville. And this is the station. It's just near me.